Hey everyone, in this video we'll see how you can install multiple JDKs in your Ubuntu system. So here I have downloaded this star file, that is Linux x64. You can see this star file, and another I have downloaded this 21.1. Okay, here we have 21. So this star I have downloaded. So what we are going to do, we will be trying to set up both the Java JDKs. Okay, so currently I have moved all those both the downloaded tar files into this Java directory. So I've created a directory, and this one I have just unpackaged that open JDK. Okay, 21 version. So what you have to do, we will just untar this 25 also. Okay, so here you can see it has created a directory with JDK 25. Okay, so to use these 25, so what we are going to do, in this Linux system, we have a variable like for installation Java, you need to define a variable of Java home. Okay, so you have to just do open bash rc, and then just press N to go at the last, and you have to do export Java underscore home equal to, and then here you have to provide a path of your Java, so that Java is installed at, you can go JDK 25 pwd, just copy this thing. Okay, and then you have export path equal to $java underscore home slash bin, then you have to colon dollar path. Okay, just save it, and if you see now, there is no Java version, no Java is at all installed. So here you can see nothing is there. Just exit it, open up a new terminal, and now if you do Java hyphen version, then you will see here JDK 25. Open JDK 25, you can see here. So in this way you can change, means you can do the setup for the Java. Okay, and now if we want to go for the OpenJDK 21, then what you have to do, you have to simply go here and change the, so instead of 25, go for 21. Again, just open up a terminal just to reload that bash rc, and now if you see Java hyphen version, so it will be 21. So in this way you can switch between the multiple JDKs. So you have to simply change the path of the Java home, and these JDKs path means JDK tar file you should download, and you should keep it like in a untar format. So in this way you can switch. So that's it, and if you have any query, just ask us in the comment section. So see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.